Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find PayPal routing number. So if you're trying to set up direct deposit, receive payments, or connect to your PayPal account to certain financial services, you may be asked for your PayPal routing number. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn exactly how to find it using the PayPal app or website. Keep in mind that not every PayPal account has a routing number. This feature is generally available to eligible users who have access to PayPal's direct deposit services. If your country doesn't have this one, so all you have to do is to wait or maybe update your application. Step one, you need to sign in to your PayPal account. So you have to enter your email, or let's just say if you're connected to something, you just have to connect and then add your email or add your password. Now open the PayPal mobile app or visit the PayPal website using your preferred browser. And like what I mentioned earlier, you have to log in your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Step two, go to your wallet. Okay, inside the PayPal, there is this wallet section. After signing in, look for the wallet section. On the website, you will usually find it near the top of the screen. In the mobile application, it may appear in the bottom navigation menu, depending on the version of what you are using. Now, step three, look for direct deposit information. So, inside the wallet section, search for options such as direct deposit, set up direct deposit, get your paycheck, PayPal balance. Now, if your account is eligible, you will see details related to the direct deposit services. Step 4, view your routing and number. Select the direct deposit option, so you should see your routing number now if you are eligible. So basically, your routing number, your account number, these details can be used when setting up payroll, direct deposits, or linking eligible financial services. Now, step 5, copy or save the information. Carefully copy the routing number and account number exactly as displayed. Many versions of PayPal provide a copy button, making it easy to paste the information where needed. Double check the numbers before submitting them to avoid payment delays. Step 6, if you can find a routing number, if you don't see direct deposit information, it could mean your PayPal account is not currently eligible for direct deposit features. The feature has not yet rolled out to your account or country. You may need to verify your identity or activate PayPal balance. Your region may not support PayPal routing numbers. In that case, check the help section within PayPal or contact PayPal support for assistance. And we have here the last step. Okay, so for the last step here, basically before providing your routing number to an employer or another financial institution, you need to verify the information shown in PayPal and should be current and intended for direct deposit use. Using incorrect banking details could delay incoming payments. So before proceeding with any transaction, you need to double check, review information. So as a conclusion, that's how to find your PayPal routing number again. Not all PayPal account or PayPal account has the routing number. If you can find it, maybe it's not yet available in your country or your account. So simply sign into your PayPal wallet or open your wallet if it's available in your account. Access the direct deposit section and view your routing and account numbers if your account is eligible. Even if you're completely new to PayPal, following the steps should help you locate the information you need quickly and safely. Now, lastly, if in case that there is something wrong with your PayPal, you need to verify the bank partner. So PayPal routing numbers are issued through partner banks. This may vary, such as Wells Fargo Bank, or other partner financial institutions, depending on your account. So don't worry, PayPal automatically assign this in your account. Now, you can also upgrade your account. So to unlock routing number access, if in case you cannot unlock it, you need to verify your identity, such as your ID, phone, email, enable PayPal balance if prompted, accept terms for direct deposits, add or confirm link debit card or whatever card that you're using. If you can find it, lastly, try using the search bar. In the PayPal application, use the search function and such a function and type direct deposit, routing number, payroll. This often takes you directly to the correct page. So basically, these are the things or steps on how to find PayPal routing number. If you still can find it, then you can contact PayPal support if still missing. So you can go to Help Center, search for direct deposit, contact PayPal support chat, then confirm eligibility on your account. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.